1, 2, 3.
Hello and welcome to TheDot Family's first YouTube video!
Right, so what are we doing today, Freddie?
A bomber. A banger.
A banger. And what do you need to do about science activities?
What did you say?
Don't do them without a grown-up.
Don't do them without a grown-up.
So, you're going to get your paper, fold it over like this.
No.
If you want help, just let me know. All the way to the edge like that.
It's not working on mine.
You do yours.
Dad, did the gas meant to be that big?
Shall we have a look?
Dad!
Yeah.
Then what do you do?
And then, are you reading it? After, do you want me to help? Alright then.
And then you fold it up into one long page. Like this, Daddy.
There we are. Then you open it out like that. Open it out like that, Freddie.
Then you open it out like that.
And then,
Daddy, it looks like a book.
yeah.
And then you get a book.
And then you fold it in like that. If you want me to help, yeah.
Dad, can you do one?
Yes. You try and
You
answer.
do it like a paper aeroplane, like my dad is doing. But you can't really see him because he's not in the camera. If you do it with Mum and Dad, but if you don't, you'll get it all.
Yeah.
You don't. Well, my dad hasn't got a book, even though he's not on the vlogging camera.
You're going to give it a go, Freddie. You fold in like that, look.
I can't do it because I just told you I couldn't do it. See, that's why you need help with the grown-up.
Yeah. And
Or you can just use the Lightning McQueen and stick it on and it will be done. See? And it's done.
Right. And then you're going to show them what it looks like once this is done, yeah?
Okay. I want to put my bit somewhere. Daddy, I'm pretending that's my other vlogging camera.
Oh, yeah.
That might going to be my money. So if you'd like to know, we actually have a new one.
Right, so you show them what it looks like then.
Okay,
Yeah, Arthur.
look at this.
And what did you fold over?
A piece of paper, a blue paper.
Get your money.
And it looked like a lamp. Daddy, they're meant to be straight.
Yeah.
Well, why is it looking like a lamp? Oh, look at this. Daddy, I think this shouldn't have been a bomber. I think it should have been a ram. Because look, Daddy.
Oh, yeah.
But look. Yeah. I broke
There you are, Arthur. Right, both of you show them what it looks like then.
I already showed them, Daddy.
And then you fold it over again like that so it's
It
in
should
half.
be a top part. Oh.
And you've got to fold it in half. Like that.
It flew away. I'm still doing it like this, Dad.
Oh.
Nothing is doing it.
Good boy. And you're going to show them how it goes in half like this.
Okay. Do you open it up? Daddy, it isn't bombing. Daddy, why isn't it bombing, yeah?
Because we've got to.
Look, now it looks like a hammer.
Very. Well, so what did you do? How did you fold it?
You show them.
In half.
In half. And then it's a hammer. Look, guys.
Right, and then we've got to work out the next bit. So, sharp corner. So open it back out. And then you fold the sharp corners down like that.
I can't do that. Can you do that part for me?
Yes. Put the sharp corners down like that.
It's going to be very tiny then. Is it meant to be big or tiny? Daddy, is it meant to be big or tiny? Daddy, is it meant to be big or tiny?
Meant to be, so you fold them down like
That's
that.
not mine. Daddy.
Is this Reggie's, is it?
Can you get your one out of my face?
Oi!
It's my face.
Yeah.
Just watch the light. Awesome.
Is this Reggie's one, is it?
Dad.
And then this is your one, is it?
No, Dad, you've already... Dad, you folded...
Yeah.
Daddy, I thought you folded mine.
So you've got to fold it like that. This is going to be annoying if it doesn't bang, isn't it?
Not the weirdest...
Yeah.
No, right,
Right.
yeah, Daddy, it looks like a paper aeroplane. And then you
Yeah,
open
yours
it
is
up.
here like that and you hold it like that.
This looks like a paper airplane, guys. And if you throw it,
It doesn't fly.
no. So you're going to use it as a frisbee. And then it lands.
Yeah, so here's yours, Arthur, like this.
Or it could be a garage, like this.
And then, if we've done it right, hold it like that. Well, I don't think I've done it right.
Wait, Dad, let's check the instructions. Wait, Dad,
What?
look at this.
Yeah.
Be in that shape.
Maybe our card's too stiff.
Oh.
Yeah,
Dad, this.
here's yours.
Wait, Dad, I think it's got to be in the same colour.
Right. Grip the banger firmly by the two sharp corners. Flick it down quickly.
It's still not banging. Bangers, but they're not working. Wait, Dad, that shape.
Maybe our card was too stiff.
Should we unwrap it all? Should we unwrap it now? Dad, should we unwrap it?
Right, let's pause this one.
Show them what it does.
So we had to change it to thinner paper, didn't we?
We have to change it to thinner paper.
You ready?
Yes. Now my turn, Dad. Dad wants to have my turn.
Right, so you hold it there and flick it out, okay? As hard as you can. You want to
See,
go?
it's fun. Yeah.
No, hold it there and then flick it out like that. Right, look. Let Reggie have a
Dad,
go.
now can we do another science activity?
Like that. Ready?
Dad, can
Loud,
you fold?
isn't it?
Dad, can you fold my one back up?
Shall we see if we can do...
No, let's try it. Dad, how many sharp corners was there?
Yeah, this was too thick, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But that's too thick. And then this one. Look.
Dad, now
Yeah,
can we?
have a go.
Dad, I want